I had on the back of the card at that time this great dream, this surging, dynamic thing, invisible to all the world, except to the person who holds it, is responsible for every great advancement of man. Earl Nightingale wrote that. I had that on the back of gold cards, and I've had it on the back of gold cards for years. It's not on the back of this one right now. I got "You were born rich" on the back of this one. And everybody is born rich. Most people are just a little short of money. But I was sitting in his office. I had been with him for about an hour. It was just a phenomenal experience for me because I'd been studying his material for a long time. And I was leaving after the hour, and I asked him, I said, "Earl, what's the big deal?